How to share a TikTok video on Instagram. To share a TikTok video on Instagram, you first need to open the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the home page from where you can view all the contents that are shared on TikTok. Now tap on Profile at the bottom right corner. Once you're here in this page, select the video and open it. Then tap on the three dots from the side panel. After that, from this menu, you need to tap on the Instagram icon over here. It will redirect you to the Instagram application. Then tap on the option Allow Paste from the pop-up. Once you're in this page, you will find options like these. You can either put this video on Story or post it in your Reels. But now, we will tap on the message option to send a direct message. Select a profile from the suggested people, and then tap on Send. Now tap on the message icon at the top right corner to ensure that the message has been delivered. Open the chat, and as you can see that the TikTok has been shared on Instagram. So, by following these steps, you can easily share a TikTok video on Instagram.